How to buy Solana on Robinhood app. If you want to buy Solana on Robinhood app, it is very simple to do so. First of all, you must launch the Robinhood crypto and trading application and just make sure to log into your Robinhood account. Once you log into your Robinhood account, right from the home page, you want to scroll down. Here you'll see a couple of stocks, but ignoring the stock, here you can see crypto and here you can see Solana. So you can tap the Solana option there. And depending upon whether you want to buy it or whatever, you can see send option or receive button and so on. You can simply tap on the buy option right over there. So you'll find the option to buy them if you want to go ahead and then buy that particular cryptocurrency. So you can also send it right from here if you want to, but otherwise you can simply buy it. You can also tap on this receive button if you want to receive from other sources. This way I can go ahead and then buy Solana on the Robinhood app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.